Hi, my name is Kim Bellamere and I'm a program manager with Friends of the Kaw, and I am at the 8th Street Boat Ramp in Lawrence with a wet and kind of rainy Kaw Minute. So the 8th Street Boat Ramp is one of 19 ramps along the 173 miles of the Kansas River. And these are really important because they are the public access points for people who want to recreate on the river, whether you're kayaking, boating, or just fishing oftentimes. These are the places where most of us come to get onto the river. They were installed through a partnership with Friends of the Kaw and the Kansas Department of Wildlife Parks and Tourism. And they're really important because for many people, these are the first point of contact that you will have, or many people will have, with the river. So for those people who are new and for those people who are on the river an awful lot, it's really important that we keep these areas clean. And it's important for the larger ecosystem, but it's also important for helping to make sure the experience is really good for people who come and use the river. A few years ago, Friends of the Kaw developed a program called the Adopt a Boat Ramp program. And through this project, community groups can volunteer to help clean up a boat ramp and adopt that boat ramp, keep it clean, check on it, make sure everything is in good working order. So each organization that adopts a boat ramp has to do at least 3 cleanups a year, and in return for doing that, they get a sign just like this one stating who they are and what the name of their organization. We still have a few boat ramps available to be adopted on the river. So if you're interested, we would love for you to please contact me. My name again is Kim Bellamere, and you can email me at kim.bellamere, BELLEMERE, @kansasriver.org, and I can fill you in on all the details. You can also check out our website at www.kansasriver.org. And on the webpage with the Adopt a Boat Ramp program, there is a list of all of the ramps that are still available for adoption. So if you have a community group that cares a lot about the Kansas River, we really encourage you to check it out. Thanks so much.